Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. So glad you could be with me today. I have got some fantastic news when it comes to sharpening. You know, everybody gets all wound up about this sharpening method being better than this sharpening method or that sharpening method, and you need to have this grinder or this easy sharpening jig or tool or whatever. And they get all tense and wound up. I mean, if you want to start a fight at a woodworking convention, just start talking about sharpening. What do you think about that shaving? Feathered on one edge, starting to feather on the other. That edge creates that surface. Okay? This is my normal sharpening. That's what I've used for years. 1000 grit, either waterstone, paper, or diamond plate, followed by a light stropping, take off the burr. I've used that for years. Years and years and years. So you're just starting out in woodworking. Get yourself a piece of float glass. Get yourself some sandpaper. This happens to be 280. I didn't have any 220. I used the closest I had, 280. That's how that was sharpened, on that sandpaper. Very simple. And I didn't strop it afterwards. I just knocked the burr off on the palm, just like that. Okay? But if that isn't easy enough, I found an even easier method. So I sharpened my little jack here with a new method. One I have not seen yet. It's going to take the internet by storm. Getting good shavings, okay? So, what is it, you ask? Well, let me show you. Gotta make a little room here. Protect your workbench. Okay, are you ready? Creek stone. I went down to the creek and brought up a few stones. Soaked them in water, flattened them a little bit, rubbing them against each other. Whatever method you want to use. You want to go back and forth like this, rocking it a little bit. You want to go in circles. You want to go straight. Whatever you want. Just use it the same way you use any other abrasive. Keep going till you create a burr on the back. And I was pretty amazed. There's the burr. Knock the burr off. Get rid of the water and the slurry. I was pretty amazed with how fine that stone is coming right out of the creek. And you can see the scratch pattern. So there's no burr there. The burr's pretty well knocked off. The method some people use, and I don't recommend this, is they rub it on their palm. Another way to get rid of the burr is to just come in the corner of a piece of softer wood and just rub it in there and it's gone. That's it, everybody. That is the new and amazing and improved Walter sharpening system. Let's see how we did. Put it back in the plane the way we always do. Push it down, center it, wedge it, sight it, adjust the lateral, just a little. A little advance, a little more advance, and there it is. Quick stone sharpening. I love it. I probably could sharpen with a brick. I'm not saying that you all should go out and throw all your sharpening methods away. The whole point of this episode is to basically take away the stress. Take away the stress in sharpening. Sharpening shouldn't be this wound up, white knuckle, or I gotta buy this, and I gotta buy that, and I gotta buy this. Use what you got. I don't care what method you use. Use it. Get used to it. Simplify it. It should be more like a Zen experience. No. You gotta be one with the sharpening. I don't know about you boys and girls, but that creek stone is suitable for cranking out work. That's it for today. Go out in your shop. Make some shavings. Walter out.